In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Lovable to Supabase. So first, open up Lovable and log into your Lovable account. So once you're on your Lovable account here, make sure you already have your project ready on your Supabase here. So if you go to your Supabase and if you have a project, so just you can just that's good to go. So you can just have the project, your base project there. So now to link it, all you have to do is once I've logged into Lovable here, click on the Supabase option here. So click on the Supabase little icon there, hit on add organization. Okay, hit on add organization and this will open up this dashboard here where it's going to ask you for authorization to link your Supabase account. So you'll get to this page here. So it's now Lovable is requesting access to your organization. So you're going to just scroll down and then here select the project from your Supabase that you want to link it to. So for example, I've got this is the project from my Supabase here. Click on authorize Lovable and this will now authorize and connect your Lovable with your Supabase. And once it's done, you will get this connection successful message here. So now your Supabase and Lovable are now connected. That's basically pretty much it is.